I was at
You know, tune you go listen to.
What's that?
Nyaman Run.
Yes.
Yeah,
I think it's the Nyaman Run. Yes.
Yo, Bumbo.
And the right thing was the Nyaman Run. They come here about Nyamin. Nyaman Run. Yeah. I talk about Nyamin.
Scam some money.
Who's scamming? Who's scamming?
Hope you like scamming.
Too.
Ain't no rules then about, but not make the people them catch you now. I'm gonna beat you till you're black and blue.
Alright, so we'll give thanks to Yvette Joseph from Montego Bay that live in Washington DC. We thank you so much as well too. You know, we have another donation as well. Boy. Good. We have $10,000 from Anonymous from, let me see where that's from the USA. So that's $10,000 from Anonymous. We're giving us some pampers as well too.
Yes, because the kind really need sunny now.
Yeah, so we know, yeah, man.
But alright, you know, I let you know that we could have see all Mother Teresa and could have tell her what go on, but I don't really too like bother people, you know, bro.
I mean, no say a bashment thing.
Hey.
I see peaches outside my window.
Jeez.
I know she's coming any minute.
Hey.
And she wearing she body rider.
Lord.
I mean, no say she a bashment in it.
Hey.
I go and burn a cliff before me start.
Jeez.
So move now, make me give them the next part. Cause every time it rains, I drop peaches.
Uncle Peaches have to be there when we're ready to release it. We feel her up.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, guys, welcome. Guys, today I'm representing for Jamaica. The Jamaica shoes there. Pablo Creations. Today I feel like a big international baller playing for Jamaica. Whoa! Jamaica I'm representing today, you know. Yeah. And even Liverpool no big like Jamaica team. Jamaica Z team.
Hold on there. That's how Jamaica shirt. Oh, boy. Like a New York boy.
Yeah. They can't mix the New York with the Jamaica.
Jamaican in New York.
Hey, so that's gonna be Jamaica in New York.
Yeah, man.
Right.
You see?
Well, let me show them fully.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica out.
Fully, yeah.
Today I'm playing for Jamaica team.
Cheers!
When they're tired.
Yeah. Yes, man. Whoa. Yeah, man. Should have all the next yellow, you know, or black, you know?
Yes.
3 different ones.
On the wrist.
Yeah, man. See that? Alright. Now, my Jamaica everything, man. I should put them on here, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Everything for Jamaica, you know? Hairstyle.
Yeah. Guys,
Yeah,
so what say have everything, man.
Everything for Jamaica.
Have the 1 pack, 2 pack. Yes.
You have hair, you have hat, you have everything, shoes, everything match, man. So have my day, man.
Yeah.
Jamaica day. Yeah, so have the day, man.
So today's my Jamaica day, guys. Today I'm representing for Jamaica. Straight Jamaica day. You know, imagine me went downtown and I look at boy see me and say, "Sir, you play for Jamaica?" I say, "Are we to run or you play?" I'm like, "Alright." So now I go here. Tell me a name so I can go look for you now. said, don't worry, when you see me, remember. I have tall pay. There, man. It's a natural in there.
What's the one I see right?
Where? Is it?
East India.
Is it? You know,
Mango eat fruits.
eat fruits. So you know eat Julie?
No, Julie.
You know eat Blackie?
No.
Number 11.
Yeah, number 11.
You know eat East Indian? Rozah, you know eat-
No Indian.
no Indian, no Blackie. And the good about the girl them, and we love them. I mean, I was
See the good about the girl them. See me love them. Never get one of them. And the hottest about the girl them. See me love them.
never get one of them.
Any man can get one.
Any man can get one
From him
have the money.
Any man can get one.
Any man can get one.
From him having money. You say they good about the girl them.
Let me love them.
Oh.
From them have the money.
I will tell you.
I will tell them. Oh, hey, that tune was I see that big tune of Rozah Rose. What go on with that song there?
Rose.
No man.
I'll go on teacher.
I am not the teacher, I am principal. I am the teacher right now. Yo, fuck you.
I be good as by the girl them. I mean look. So which new tune? Nothing new for Rozah Rose.
No. We're scamming. I wanna scam it with you. We're scamming.
Scamming.
And I hope you like scamming too. But if the people them catch you now.
Say that.
Oh, no,
Say that.
Hey guys, what's my ear? Well I know. Well I'm singing a new song.
No, I just a look at thing coming in my mind.
Oh, we're scamming.
I wanna scam it with you. Scamming.
But you're not.
Well I know man, you spoil the man song.
spoil up the
Well I
thing,
know man.
So I want
They come with it.
You know which tune you go listen to?
What's that?
Nyaman Run.
Yes.
Yeah,
I think it's the Nyaman Run, yes.
Yo, boom.
And the right thing was the Nyaman Run. They come here about Nyamin. Nyaman Run. Yeah. Hey, I talk about Nyamin.
Scam some money.
Who's scamming? Who's scamming?
Hope you like scamming.
Win too.
Ain't no rules then about, but I make the people them catch you now. I'm gonna beat you till you're black
And
and blue.
blue.
A 25 to life.
Yeah. I want
Now,
to
prison you get a wife. Scamming cause your scamming life is true.
chew. Hey.
You're scamming.
I want.
Got it.
I want to scamming with you. We're scamming. That tune I forgot bill. Right, if I build that tune, they sell it on the road.
You like scamming too.
I say, I'm not 25 to life.
The 80-year-old woman.
Yeah.
We prefer scam the young one too.
Well, Johnny, you have lyrics.
Yeah, Johnny
Yeah,
has lyrics in it.
Johnny have lyrics.
I make him make it over. That me there to make up some with him too.
And it's working. Big artist, man. It's working. Because once you run Rozah Rose in it, after
Bow
rubber.
mango.
Bow mango.
From you eat it with your teeth.
Bow mango.
And you say it's sweet.
Bow mango.
That's what I get.
Yeah.
No, me no remember that one.
And it's a
I see that here. I used to peaches outside my
a window. Hey.
When I sing
Hey.
off the whole of the
And
tune them in.
Yeah.
I'm like to your pirate, me tune them.
No, that you do too.
So do that I know.
And a pirate tune too.
Look that.
You know, so my brother named Clive, that England.
Say no, if you talk to him, talk to him live.
I might as well watch it.
Yeah, and
Talk to him live, talk to the man.
Talk back and say, our party, them that from post.
Yeah.
From post, you must say, look at a rocky down yard, there are some.
Oh, when in a Rocky Bone yard. Yeah. So look for artists with ideas.
No.
Oh.
Nah, man. Him, Rozah Rose, my helicopter stand still at the air and Boca shoot at himself.
Yeah. What else?
Soon that him join
I see
the night
peaches out my
No,
window.
another part there when them reach. Cause every time I see the rain, I will remember Marshall. Oh no Marshall. You remember that tune there?
No, me don't remember that.
Like that, you can't remember that tune there, you remember.
Hey, one time them tune around the place still in a rose. Come on, I see peaches out my window.
No.
You know about you.
I mean, no say a bash me hinting.
Hey.
I see peaches outside my window.
Jeez.
I know she's coming any minute.
Hey.
And she wearing she body rider.
Lord.
I mean, no say she a bashment in it.
Hey.
I go and bonus cliff before me start.
Jeez.
So move now, make me give them the next part. Cause every time it rains, I drop
Peaches.
Uncle Peaches have to be there when we're ready to release it. We feel her up.
Yeah, come on, Rosa. Yeah, come on, Rosa.
Yo, Johnny, them must say.
Yeah, so Rosa, this man. Right now, the people them are watching them, I say, come on, Rosa. Right now, the people them are watching them are dead with laugh. They don't know them too. Of course, at the first. Yeah. A pure, guys, a pure classic hit. The money I have. Cause right now, I know you're watching and you're laughing right now. I water run out your eye. You know? Them say, pull up.
Diana.
Right there.
I remember them too.
You know?
She get a call from True Story.
Oh, what?
Oh,
You will like tune them in.
my youth.
So if Johnny can remember, yes.
A long time I don't remember them.
So Johnny can remember them song there. Diana. Oh,
I
go.
don't remember it.
She get a call from True
I
Story.
remember it. Me remember me that sing.
I tell him say I be a breadfruit me and eat ya.
Eat ya.
Me no remember that tune.
Yeah. We know say you have them, you know. You see me, just go so shake it up.
Sing them couple times, I remember them back.
Alright, sing it again. Diana.
No, me no have the vibes there now.
Go again.
Oh, you go again.
Yeah, remember our next one, let me see.
Remember our next one. It's too much of them. So Johnny, I remember
Go
them.
again.
You see it that me I tell you, so I don't want to sing halfway and stop.
Well, that's Rosa, you know. Halfway and stuff on the people, them are real. And I said, beg you, pull it up back.
The original one.
It's the original.
When you first come to French town, you were living in a,
Yeah.
you know one day.
A
Hey.
white man, even is a black man. Hey, yeah.
Oh, I know that them one.
How them want it? Give them what they want, Rosa.
Rosa.
Rose.
What is a girl who live next door?
And she's really fine.
You can't remember this
All
tune.
my life I
Took this
want
long
to
time,
be
me no sing them.
Want her to be mine.
Hey, Rose.
Cause she not show me something.
Rose.
But Anna Rose,
But you want to look for mine.
Next story. But you could look at woman.
Yeah. But you want to look for mine.
Just put in Rose.
Mm.
There's some girls
Yeah.
in the place, and I know they feel with love. And these girls, them brighter than tomorrow.
Hey.
And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to deny.
Why?
But you tell truth, you know no time to tell no lie.
That's what you do.
That not true. That could never true.
That's why I no sing nothing different. They want to flap the thing in it.
Oh, that could never true.
No, man, I been say I seen so
I know baby I be nothing. I flap your try flap the thing.
Yeah. It can't flap the thing.
him put the flap back.
Can't flap the thing. A Rosa this, you know. At 10 it already, man.
Hey, you know what thing on this already? Hard thing.
Oh,
I know I watch now.
10 it already. At 10 it that already. Much you gone? 10 it.
There's no. There's some girls in the place, and I know they feel with love. And these girls, them brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to deny. Cause these girls, them bright, me say them bright, no.
Sure.
There are ways to get them. You have to have the money in a bungle.
Jeez.
Them no watch no face.
No watch no face.
Them no watch no face.
No.
MC Rose.
Rima girls. Them have the tightest fishy. For you and for me and the entire community.
Way to get them.
Your money have
If you have your money, you get them. But if you not have none,
Hey, you better don't come.
them love money.
You say leave it
They
alone.
can't fit Johnny and Eddie. They don't want
people don't
money.
You know want that. It now go in it.
Yeah, you have to go edit out.
Yeah, man, it's like edit out, man. What Johnny say, don't worry about it, it's like edit out. You can't flap the song.
Always.
And part now go in it.
Can't buy them and Eddie.
Hey, I see peaches out my window. And I know
she's coming any minute. And she wearing she body rider.
Right measurement few.
So me know say she a bashment in it.
Hey.
Why go and burn a cliff before me start?
Hey.
So move now, make me give them the next part. Cause every time it rain, I drop a peaches.
Peaches have to be there.
Welcome. Oh, okay. So, I the man why?
Can't say that.
You can't say baby. You can't say that.
A peaches. A peaches, it say?
Because every time.
A peaches him off a draw for. Nobody else. No man. Guys, it's off of it's. Remember, you know, if you don't want dub plate, you know, if you don't want a song from Rozah, you can contact him same way, because you hear it's part it. You know?
Plate after dub.
Dub plate after dub plate, and if you have been show it in the bookings right now, you know, them gonna turn up any show right now. Right?
You know,
any type at all. So if you have birthday party, anything at all right now, you know, and you want Rozah to come pass through, you see me and say, give them a contact number now. In a contact number.
555 25 25 36.
Hey, Rozah. Oh, the right number one you give them, you know, 1876.
Oh, you want 876 532
Yeah.
1436.
Yes.
That
is that the correct number, right? Guys, so that's the correct number where they can call Rozah, you know.
532 1436.
Yes. For any booking, party, stage show, you know it, dance, anything at all.
Mostly
you know.
girls can call.
Only
Mostly girls.
Yeah. So only with girls that keep show alone?
If any girls are keeping the show.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Take her up. Hold on. We'll take a Rozah girl. Hold on, take her up. Hey.
I'm going now.
Rozah baby drop. Can't drop Rozah girl like that. She don't give no trouble, you know. She's the only one don't give no trouble. She don't give bun. She don't give bun, nothing at all.
Her head sick, you know, she not on her head.
And she don't give bun. No, Rozah, more I give them a correct number, you know, for your bookings.
532 532 1436.
So it's 1876 532
1436.
So that's the booking number for Rozah. So whenever you call, you're gonna get in directly.
Call key now.
I can call me same way, you know. I get the booking. So remember, it's available now for booking. Overseas, anywhere at all they want for booking for.
Overseas,
underseas. Yes, pandaseas. And pandaseas. Overseas, underseas or pandaseas. Anywhere at all.
Anywhere near seas.
Yes, I could have a wedding, say any type of show available for booking. You know. The bike a pass. I know you get your money's worth. You understand? When the man touch it, hey, I saw we have to go push out Rozah, because right now no people want some bookings right now, the Rozah. What? When they say, yo, when they walk, when they get them, I have to lock it back, you know. When it's full, they lock it back, you know. Remember that. Anything at all. I could have a music, if you want him in a feature in a music video as well, right? Music video.
With girls?
Yeah, with girls, anything. Nah, for the girls, about that, you know. The Rozah says all the girls in play. So ladies them, so any show, if you have a birthday party, you want to invite Rozah, you know the thing go, you know, for come nice up the place.
We're good.
Just call him. Gentleman, see you here too. If you're a show, dance, or Rozah was going to mash it up, you know the thing already. You know, new era. You know. Yeah.
Fruits, number 11 fruits.
Him say me eat number 11 fruits. Him don't eat Julie. Him say no, he don't eat Julie mango. He don't eat Julie mango.
East Indian.
Nor East Indian.
Nor Blackie.
Nor Blackie.
Where you eat? Fruits. Fruits, number 11 fruits.
Only number 11 fruits. No, sir, Rozah. Guys.
What other number 11 that we see I eat this morning?
Him that eat mango?
This morning, seed fat, mango seed fat.
So what kind of mango that? Yeah. And number 11 seed.
The uptown number 11 then.
Uptown
number 11.
Yeah.
So you have uptown and downtown number 11. Hey, Rozah. The guys, Rozah is uptown number 11. So you have a downtown one.
Downtown number 11 seed still.
Ask my friend over there, so look that.
Look that.
What number 11 seed?
You know I'm not gonna keep them argument. No key. Ready?
Yes, guys, I'm saying for serious inquiry only, the number will be on the screen. You can contact Rozah for the bookings, you know. Any show at all, they can call him, you know. Any feature, anything at all you want, you can contact him. See him way, you know. Even if you keep Kid Street, anything at all. Anything at all you want to go match at the stage show.
Yeah.
Ready.
Come on, children, this is Rozah.
Hey.
Make sure you have no booger in
your nose.
Oh.
Johnny, I say you the one there.
That man say full of it.
Full of it. Rozah, just below one dance spot.
You know.
Eh? Yeah. The guy should have stayed to them and said, just contact Rozah. Direct him. Come back in on me.
Back it in.
Back it down.
Put in everything now.
Yeah.
Put in everything. Wine it.
Yeah.
Wine up everything.
Yeah. It can't come in here, please.
Straighten it out.
It can't come in here.
Come in on me now.
Johnny, what you doing? Hey, yeah.
Now, where are you?
No, but when I come back, I'm up here now.
Well, whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Wow.
You close your window already, whoa?
Johnny Lewis. Yeah.
You know, not yet. Whoa said, not yet. See it there? Nice. See it there? Nice. Oh, close it, pull up your door, whoa. See it there? Nice. It's a good look. Fabulous, brother. Wow. So that well fitted in. And where Rozah was a savage man, give me a right segment a while ago there. Yeah? Yeah. Man, like sometimes like him say about in the mood. Yeah, the mood. Yeah. Cause him see him and say, John was trying to come like you read my mind. You know, right? Him say a while like him say come like you read my mind. Say don't say about segment. Blessed. Oh, go on. Oh, so prefect I make you give him an ear and show him what I go on. Fabulous, brother.
Yeah. Yo.
It's a good look. So guys, as you can see, window gone in. Jeez. Natural is a great look.
A great look, man. Great look, you know.
Great look, you know.
Go on, move.
Yeah. Poor Grace.
I put on a one sheet of zinc over there, so
Yeah.
I cut off that and one here, the pipe, so one the pipe was tight now, the pipe. But not same side, one the pipe was tight, where I can't cut what the sun.
Where they?
Fittings there. Oh yeah, where fittings there?
Fittings. Wow, chef.
Fittings and a 4-inch pipe. Fittings there.
Oh, stop.
Alright, yeah, I'm going back for them. I'm back for them. Yeah, man, I do a segment, man. I'm going there, man. See?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
That is the segment.
Move on, progress on that.
Yeah. It's a good look. Whoa, you know? Whoa, you can close your window now.
Good look.
Yeah.
Take a good look in a new book.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So Wow Chef can close him door and close him window. Hello! Wow Chef, just look outside now. Outside.
Yeah, go on now. Can't go with that just up here. So I look right to one with us. But don't just come.
Man.
I'll just hear him set speed.
You can go on, yeah, man. I'm not trying to see them going on and eat this up.
Yeah, man. So it's a work coming right away.
I'm going to switch up a look a bucket.
Yeah, kind of. Not a bucket, man. Let's not shovel.
Man, look a bucket like this, yeah.
Two shovel.
I need this, man.
I want something to go up on.
Alright, something going in the eye.
So guys, so the window right now is kind of okay. Well, let's get off a piece. Guy was too exact. The blow back towards you. Have a glass. You know a glass, Tappy?
Glass in my shop, look, we have glass, I'm going to buy it to you.
Wow, a glass.
Alright, run back.
Hold on, you have glass in there? Wow, money hide off. Wow, one glass. Find some stash. Naturally, a glass in your car. From Talpi.
Talpi.
Hold on. We get the glass. We get the glass. Huh?
We can't see it. We can't see it.
No, I don't want the clear one. Naturally, the clear one I care.
Clear one I
Naturally, the clear one.
No, man. And put a gas on face and blind here, tell me.
Naturally, I get the clear one, Talpi. No, I put that not over your eye. Guys, so as you can see the window here, it was too exact. You know, so if we just get off piece where the window can go inside, because when the younger generation tradesman they did here too was too exact. You know, so you need room. You know, to
Black
put
bucket
it
them the round so.
With the time you can see.
Yeah, roll in the
smooth. Wash up the baby's born and inside here.
Turn him up in this land. Shift him over.
So exact. She done hit the bill exact. Test it now, Talpi. Test it now.
Hold on, sir. Hold on, sir.
Nobody. Right above there, sir. Select a piece, sir. Talpi. Pull it back out. See that piece, sir? Look here, sir. Look, let me show you. Yeah. Come down more toward, yeah. No. That's so good. And that's a piece that we start from first. No, man. Yeah, the piece we start from first. Yeah. Alright, try it now. Still a little fish left back. Another one, another. Come over back next piece. That piece. Another so. Yeah, that's so. Yeah, I don't need that.
What a wire.
Go on now.
What this wire?
Walla wire there, in there, sir.
Oh, check. Give me a length. Yeah. What is that now?
Show it in now and see.
What is that? What that? Right. Is that steel inside there? Oh, that's steel. Is that steel? Yeah. Right? That's perfect shit on it, you know.
What I ain't kind of bit to
Is it? Alright, yes, so the edges, so yeah, the wall edges, so yeah. Wall edges, so we are on a rub pan. Wall edge, we on a rub pan.
Put the steel, put the steel, no? Like that time. Put the steel through it, put the steel through the pipe, put the steel through the thing there. The steel. Put the steel through the wire. No, man, that's probably that too, brother. Natural. Put it in between two of these wire, brother. What are you doing?
You can twine it. Yeah, so you can twine it for pull
Natural,
it.
listen to me. He's a growing man. Natural is one wire hookup, one wire in between the space. One parallel. Take out this wire. Take out this. Let go this. Hold this.
Yeah.
Tight over the steel now.
Yeah.
Let go this. Hold this now. Tight on the steel now. Tight as possible. Draw it, draw. Yeah. You can make sure lock on the pipe. You have to lock on the pipe. Drop. Now twist the wire now. Twist the wire. Now. Yeah, twist it. Nice. We want a concrete nail now. I have to type on a concrete nail and nail it like concrete. I have to hold it. This now I'm working for the rest of life, you know.
One wall.
Yeah. Alright now. Inside all of these now. We finish it outside, you know. Going in back. Boy, I can't start this back tonight. Moving. Every piece I go back in, every piece of them paper, every piece of them I have used. Every piece I have used. Every piece of them.
All of use.
If I know the purpose of it. Alright, so we can pack and rest down pipes. Liver, fuck your mother.
Sorry. So guys, so show the wind that it to make exact. So we have to like cut it out back now so you can get some more room.
Alright, give me that pipe now. Get my cup that pipe and put up on it. Good. Give me hammer, concrete now. Concrete here.
2 on the right side right there.
You have something now. Where's something now?
A back to cock you all.
Yeah man, good man. The child have space in the tank. The one in the where the hammer there?
Hammer. Really hammer there. Now I'm gonna come in natural. Crumpet.
The thing of the gas straight that can't dig off lean, you know.
That one tell me that. Colors. Come in colors.
You want me to get down there?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to get down there?
Yeah, down here colors.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, you sir.
We're giving us some pampers as well too.
Yes, because I'm the kind of really need some, you know.
Yeah, so we know yeah man.
But alright, you know, I let you know that we could have see all Mother Teresa and could have tell her what go on, but I'm staying, I'm not really too like I don't really too like bother people, you know, bro.
Alright, come we have a donation for you as well to fellas.
Oh, you get a donation?
Yeah. So we have so we have $7,000 a year for you. From Heather.
Heather?
Yeah, from the USA.
From the United States of America?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much, you know, Miss Heather.
Yeah, take this. From Heather. Take it out.
Oh, yeah. Thanks very much, Miss Heather from the United States of America. Yes.
Yeah, man. So 7,000. That's a double check says 7. No, double check says 7.
Oh, yes, it's right here.
Yes, man. That is from Heather from the USA.
Yes, Miss Heather. I'm telling you so much, you know.
Yes.
And a lot of pain, though.
Pain.
Oh, look what here. I got it. I got it.
Fit you?
Of course. It's what me want to wear something like what you have on there.
Okay.
Now you tell me kind of hope. Cause I know it not gonna look good in them type of colors.
So you want to wear something where I've got
yeah, like the Jamaica, that what you have there.
Yeah, yes.
So you know when I'm feeling I gotta go downtown.
Yeah,
if you go draw the money, I don't know, but what I'm saying, sneakers like these don't go with these type of my type. They have to go with like the top what you got there.
Yeah. Or a full black. Or your soldier clothes.
Yeah. No, I don't think so. I wouldn't wear this with a army suit.
Okay.
No.
Alright, his name is Pablo. Pablo's Design. Pablo,
Mr. Pablo.
Pablo Creation.
Mr. Pablo Creation.
Yeah.
I know I wasn't here when you came, you know. But when I came, they told me you left me a nice sneakers.
Yeah, so you're part of the team right now, the sports team.
Okay.
Representing.
I got it from Mother Teresa basically because I don't think she did see me from since she got it. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright then, Color. So I'm gonna run now and continue to do the job, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So big up.
Yeah.
Pampers, you know?
Again this?
Yeah, hold on, take out. Take another pack. Pampers. Take up one pack of wipes as well. That's a wipes as well. Josh, take up a wipes, that's all.
Yeah.
These are wipes. Look like here. Hold on, let me look here. Yeah, go on.
Evelyn.
Hello. Wow, good day. Wow, so we can cook steamed fish. I'm getting seasoning.
Yeah.
You pass? Yeah? Why? Boy, get big, man. Damn. Man, get big, man. Don't get so tall. Am I eat the tall food? Eating the tall food. Stand up and see how tall that is now. Jeez. He might give himself trouble seeing me, that man. Yeah? Yeah? Peer trouble, Yagi. Really? Trouble, Yagi? Yagi, your father talking. Wagwan. Tell me wagwan. Can never you that. So you start getting trouble now. You don't know? You know wagwan, man. Gina say, if you're not listening to your father, you know, and me have to go deal with you know, you want to deal with me? You don't want to so big and tall. You don't want to deal with me. So you know, say if you're not listening to your father, me I come look for you and deal with you. You don't want me to do that though. Exactly. So I'm big and tall and strong. You know when I'm come for you know, brother. So you have to go listen to your father with him talk. Because when the man call me and tell me, say, Key, you know, the man now listening, you know, me I come look for you. You know, and if him give me the okay if you use the belt, you know, I'm going to use it. Right? You don't marry what you say?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Right.
So if the marry can't use the belt, I have to go use it for you. Right? So the man talk to you, you have to listen. Don't let me have to come look for you. You know, want a tall giant to come look for you at all. Because we're all free, I'm not done, you know, I can't go outside go play football, did nothing at all. And you have to go stay inside. Okay, if you come outside, I'm more problem again. Right? You do your schoolwork? You might do the schoolwork tomorrow? Yeah, so let me have to come to you then. Right? You want your freedom though, where you can play football and thing. But if you don't listen to your daddy, how you get that? And me have to come to you. And you don't want me come to you. Here. Me I depend on you, you know. Don't make your father call me. Right? My name is Uncle Kino. Here, from today I am Uncle Kino. So you know, say me I come for you. I'm not laugh when me I come. Here. Say yes, Uncle Kino. Alright. Tamara just call me whenever you know I'm going with them thing. Cause you know your daddy can't move, so me have to come move for him then. Yeah. So I'm big and tall. You know what, me I come for you. Yeah. Alright. Tamara just call me, you know, one phone call away and I'll be right here. Anyway, if you're not listening to the call, you know, short and I say, you know, you're not listening. You know what time it is. Can't look how how is everything? Everything good? Yeah, man, I have to go donation and feel I bring some pampers as well too. you know, as well too. So, so you have some pampers there. I want a large one, right? So a large. So that's good. So I have 2 donation for you can help out the situation. Take out this too. Load up. In paper. Okay, so I have $7,000 from Yvette Joseph, you know, from Montego Bay. They live in Washington, D.C. So this is from Yvette Joseph, live in Washington, D.C.
So even thanks,
Yeah.
Thanks.
Alright, so we'll give thanks to Yvette Joseph from Montego Bay that live in Washington, D.C. We thank you so much as well too. You know, we have another donation as well. Boy. Good. We have $10,000 from Anonymous from, let me see where that's from the USA. So that's $10,000 from Anonymous from the USA.
Anonymous, give thanks, you know. The full basket never empty. And I give thanks and I very appreciate it a lot, you know.
Yeah. Alright. Yes guys, so we'll give thanks, you know, for blessing Damari, you know, and as I say guys, anything you can do, if you can always bless him, as I can see the situation that he's going through, you know, anywhere, anything at all you can. We appreciate it, you know, so we just give him 3 pack of pampers and some bed pads, you know, so we give thanks, we thank him so much. Damari still there go and hold the faith same way, you know, so can't give up, you know.
Go and push on. All the rough, better, you know?
Yes,
Go and push on, go and fight the struggle.
So what are you most in need of?
Most in need of some pampers and wipes and everything.
Pampers and wipes.
Yeah.
How much wipes you give them a wipe?
1 pack.
I'm looking at back, supposed to have more, bring me another 2 pack.
So you can get the bedspread them too.
The bedspread, like them ones, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that checking at the bag as well too. Press this, what me? At the bag? If you see the cloth one that, right?
Yeah.
Bring a pack.
Sheet?
Yeah. At the same thing.
Yeah.
Bring a pack come as well too, so. What you say? The phone? So gear. You don't get no phone. You want phone for? Watch YouTube. No YouTube today. Today New Year deal with them. I deal with it today. Right? Yeah, so you're more in need of pampers and the bed pads them and wipes. Right.
And sometimes I run out and I get the money for buying none. Kind of struggle upon doing that, you know?
Yes. Alright then, so guys, so as I can hear the struggle and the plead, you know, it's mostly need of pampers, the bed pads and wipes, you know, as you can see, he cannot help himself much, you know, and because of, you know, the situation already here in the community. All my pressure about TV. Also on TV now work. You want TV for watch? Okay. Alright, so that one, yeah, cause TV them are what? 20 odd, the pay for a 32 inch for me got the other day. So guys, you know, if anyone, you know, wanna help him out with a TV, you know, please, that would be nice, you know, so his son can watch it. How old are you now? 11. Alright, so it's getting big as well too. And if you get the TV, you're gonna stay inside. You promise? You're not go outside. So that's why you want TV and stay inside, right? Alright then. Same want a TV and you stay inside. Alright. We're gonna make sure you get a TV then. So when you get the TV, make sure you stay inside. And matter of fact, stay inside from now. If you don't need to go outside, don't go outside, yeah? And remember, listen when your father speak. If you're not listening, you're not getting TV neither. So it's either. You're gonna listen or you're not gonna listen. Which one? You're gonna listen. Make sure you know. Can you see how that look there? Adrenal. Remember, you can't play adrenal with Uncle Keen, you know. I tell you, so I'm looking at giant. Here. Alright. So tomorrow we're gonna try our best for you to get a TV as well too, right? So that can help. So mainly with the pampas as well too and everything, yeah? Alright then, so go and take it easy, yeah? Remember, you know, listen to daddy. Yeah? Alright.
Hey, yeah?
Tamara just call me if you're not going well.
Just come from hospital.
Yeah,
Foot. It's so up on her. So she had good enough.
it's all up on her.
Yeah, like put up here always keep quiet. So this charge and this today.
Okay, how are you doing there, sir?
Well, give that,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, that's what I was heard. They went to the hospital. So I have to keep it ice all the time.
Yeah, we have to keep it ice.
Mm.
We must keep it so it not go bad. Because them tell me I have blood clot,
Oh.
So that's why it's
Traffic always keep it high. So
Yeah. How long she in the hospital for?
no, yeah, I'm COVID.
Okay.
About
3 to 4 days.
Okay.
And come out today.
So like it all go down there when you go down as well.
Yes.
So they must keep it like that. I want to get the fuck. So the two of them then so they have to keep them nice.
Yeah.
Blood flow. You sit down, now move.
Yeah.
So you have to always keep our foot up there.
Keep it ice. Bring a donation for you as well to Miss that's and I bring you some pampers as well too.
So the wipes, huh?
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
And we have a donation on Zulu of $10,000 from Anonymous from the USA.
Anonymous from USA.
Yeah.
Anonymous from USA. Pick up yourself, huh? That's you get me.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
May your store basket never end. I give you many thanks.
Yes.
Yeah. You sit under your pillar.
Alright, and I wish for your speedy recovery, you know. As we can see, it's moving quick still, you know.
Yeah.
Especially when I go right now.
Out the door with it, cock up.
Yeah, and keep it icy, yeah.
So Anonymous, just go and pick up yourself, you see. Me, food basket never empty, you know. May the Lord bless you and keep you. You get me? Keen still have to carry on the work.
See you, man.
Big up all of the donor them where I do the maths, you see? See what I say? So it's it.
Can't stop no journey.
You gotta ever keep on guiding.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, you know the journey if you always continue the same way, you know, cannot stop.
You know?
Yes, I. Ali.
All of the extended family.
As usual.
As usual, they get me where I do the maths, you see?
That is it, man. Alright, Mr. Sir.
Yeah.
Take care.
Alright, bye,
Alright,
Mr.
yeah.
Put on the money.
Yeah.
Why? So you get to when the series starts, I don't know.
Patrick.
Yeah?
No, Patrick?
Yeah?
You took big woman now, no?
Yeah? Deputy, you know.
All is well.
Yeah, thank God. Thank God.
You're right next to the church. You're not going to church yet.
Me listen to them, I'm go to church.
Oh, it was a different thing. Muslim?
Yes, but we still go over there.
Oh, you go over there the same way?
Yeah, we still go over there.
Okay.
We still go over the church. I've been listening to them.
And give thanks and
give
praise.
You know, if my mother was alive, you know, and she tell me that she want to go to church. No matter which church,
you know,
me I carry her.
Yeah, carry her.
Yes. You still like, yeah, praise God. No matter. One tune me not like Robert Ball sing. When him say, you're booming up at church.
Oh.
Yeah. Me don't like that tune there.
Oh, okay.
Me don't like listen to that tune there. Booming up at church. You can't boom up at church.
That him say booming up at church?
Yes. Me don't like.
I don't know that song there. I don't know that song.
You see at church?
Yeah.
No matter which God, is one God.
One God.
One God.
Of course.
But no matter which church, try to praise God to me. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
No.
Oh, yeah, give thanks to the Almighty.
Yeah, then I must, man.
That is
God is God.
That is I have a donation here for you, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, man.
God is good. I mean, no money. God.
We'll see you on the right time, right?
Kino, me pray for you, Kino.
Well, phone a ring. You said, them lady that call you?
No, man, my sister. My sister. The phone there. Debbie, yeah. Yes. Miss So come. Miss So come. You see it? God is good. And my sister does that call me and expect more of some food. You saw God good?
Yes, all the time.
Good.
All the time. So me have a donation here for you. I have $5,000 here for you.
Thank God.
And the prayer for you, Patrick, and it's coming from Patrick as well too.
Yes, good.
So it's from Patrick to Patrick.
God good.
His name is Patrick Joseph. That's his name, Patrick Joseph from the USA.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. You take it. From Patrick Joseph from the USA.
Thank Patrick. Thank you very, very much. And God bless you. God bless you many, many times. I'm going to ask God to make you successful in life. I make whatever work you do or business you do, God help you. I make you successful in business, you know. And maybe I broke a number, never dollar. Kino always come from the right side. Thank God. Thank God. Kino. Thank God, Kino.
Yes.
And bless you.
Alright then, big up, yeah?
Yes,
alright then. So I'm going to walk across the sea.
One more I show you. What do you want?
Check scanner. Like I would there, so. We always move in the right time then, you know, so that's how everything move on the right time, you know, so they say nothing done before the time, and it's the time, you know, so we're going to see scanner as well too, you know, so let's just see scanner. Scanner.
Scan them. Wow, I think that's so grainy. That's so grainy.
Come in, Scanner.
But that's so grainy.
Okay, the man never put on the cable yet.
Yeah.
I know.
I said that show someone. I came up and start so quick.
Yeah.
That Philip tell me, you know.
And cable.
Yeah.
Alright, Scanner. I have some more richness for you.
Okay.
More richness. Rich in life.
Yeah.
You know, Bob Marley always say richness in life. Right? Now we have. Yes. So hold on. So we have $7,000 a year. $7,000 a year for you from Heather from the USA. 7,000.
Thanks, Heather.
Yes. So that's Heather from the USA.
Yeah, thanks, Heather.
You look like a big artist today, so.
No.
Super Cat.
Peter Touch.
Peter Touch, yes. Look like Peter Touch today, sir. Little, what's up? Long time don't see you. Oh, you walk past your scanner, sir?
That's right.
Nah, let me a minute. Long time we don't see you. I want to thank you so much for looking out for Scanner. You know, as usual. Because we never see you at the house opening. So we see you when the house done open already. So we still see you. Scanner food that?
What's gonna get the food already?
Get the food already.
I'm more a come.
I'm more a come. Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Scanner.
Heather, right?
Yes, from Heather. We have to her again, no?
Thank you very much. All the best.
Yes.
And see you. Every time.
Every time.
Yeah.
Alright. So Scanner, take it easy, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So we give thanks to Heather. You know, thank you so much for blessing Scanner. Eh? Oh. Done by Dream Team.
Oh, remember that scandal? Yeah.
Only real team. This church is going on. Oh, go on. I wonder who I pull up.
Yeah, I wonder.
Bring a, so I go in there. Take out one wipes.
Yeah, because we get the text say they put it on.
Yeah, I'm putting up again.
Then put it up again?
Yeah. Next month, yeah?
Next month.
Because I'll wait till them.
To the right time. The right time. You okay?
You want to do it, you can't give the 2%.
2%? I got no zinc. Oh.
Oh, what is it? But I do well with it, not two, 1, 2 window.
Hey, 2 window, 2 zinc.
No, not really 2 zinc, but you don't want to pressure the thing.
Oh.
You have to start from big before you reach a big.
Yeah.
You have to beg with caution when you are begging up cleaner. You can't just zoot.
Yes.
And you don't know people pockets there. And you don't know the people that get the help from.
Yeah.
If them can manage it, you have to use them discretion when them ask things.
True. And all you're asking for is 2 window.
Yeah, you know.
See, don't afraid to ask.
Eh?
Don't afraid to ask. There's a boy key, you know. There's a key and work in all me ask, you know,
I'll
for
key
2
me ask are 2 window for now. Show them the window over there.
Where, over there?
Yeah.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I change them out to the modern windows.
Yeah.
Oh.
I may even get the metal one that would have good too.
Okay.
Anyone?
So what size window that?
No, not kill, I swear.
You have to get the measurement, so. Alright, she's not asking for much. We're not sure the size window, so we're not sure the price neither. You know, guys. So she said she's not asking for much more than 2 windows. So, you know, if someone reach out, you know, you will definitely, I will see you, right?
Yeah, thanks.
No problem.
God bless the giver.
All right then. Alright, so Peter, I bring you 2 pack of Pampers here for you.
Give thanks, sir. Really need it, sir.
Yeah. Pack of wipes. Yeah?
Thank you.
Then so
Yeah,
go
man,
on
bless
with,
up, you. Next time, if anything go on, maybe shout, you know, until you want to do.
yeah. Well, not done before the time, Phil.
Yeah,
Maybe
man,
it's just not the time yet for it to happen, but it will happen in due time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Let's keep the faith same. See?
Yeah.
We say the same thing at the same time. Let's have
You have
faith.
faith, you have faith, man. I got them.
Alright, and it will happen, yeah? Alright then, mommy.
It's bless up.
Bless up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Let's spot the what, man? Do you know what I mean? Put it in the bag. Just leave the one that I'm going to leave you look for, boy.
Yeah, they have to come.
Jackson, take up that box, yeah. Derby. I wait till I bring some Pampers. Jackson, ada aquí este. We have a box with some ointment as well too, and gloves and them thing as well too. Yeah, you should drop them.
Huh?
You should want them. Where I put them? Yeah. And we have a box with ointment. Listen. Yes, I'll put them.
Put them on.
That's Daddy too. Got some got some ointments and thing and gloves in there. Put some other for some Pampers and bedspread, right? The ladies shall come Sunday, come drop her off the so after that. Alright then. Yeah man, so yeah. Alright then, so that is that then. So I'm gonna take her back the road, Derby.
Yeah man.
Big up, yeah? Yeah man, cool man.
Tomorrow you come out with Derby.
Not sure, depends on the time. Come here for go run, go do something else. So she said she's okay, she will come see me by herself if anything, you know? Because Chencho is not like one time, so she's not afraid to come. Yeah?
Yeah man, I'm like black.
Alright then. Yeah man.
Mommy? Hello, darling.
Alright, mommy.
Yes, yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
So are you
Yeah. Yeah, so we give thanks, so that is we give out the pampers them and everything. So the left back, we leave some for the yellow boy that got shot, you know, so went there to see him, but he's not there. He has gone to church, you know, so he's at the church with him and his mom, so we have to catch them a little bit later, or whenever they finish our next day. So we give thanks, you know, for big up yourself, Patrick, as well too, you know, for blessing us with the pampers. As I can see, they really go a long way, you know, they really go a long way. So we give thanks the same way, you know. So your journey continue. Bless you, love.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.